Welcome. In front of me is a DOOGEE X97 Pro, and today I will show you how you can capture a screenshot on this phone. So to get started, open up content that you wish to capture. I'll be using home screen as an example for this, so it's already open for me, as you can obviously see. From there, just make sure that the content you want to capture is visible on the screen. And once it is, simply hold power key and volume down at the same time. You'll have this obnoxious sound along with the screenshot popping up with a couple options like edit, what was there? Edit, scroll, and I think share. Now once that screenshot disappears, which happens really quickly, you can find it in your Photos application, so I'm gonna navigate to it. And you can see all the screenshots that I have captured right now, all the three. You can tap on it to view them. So there we go. Now additionally, later on, if you want to find the screenshots down the line, like weeks, months later, you can navigate to Screenshots album or tap right here, and it will then display only the screenshots that I have captured over the entire lifespan of this device, assuming you didn't reset it. So there we go. Now anyway, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.